In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language Walmart 2026, step by step. If you shop on Walmart's website and prefer to browse in another language, there are two simple ways to do it. Walmart now offers a built-in Spanish experience, and for other languages, you can use your browser's translation tool. I'll walk you through both so you can pick what works best for you. First, open your browser and go to walmart.com. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top of the site for the account menu. It's usually in the upper right corner and may look like a person icon. Click it to open the menu. Inside that menu, you'll see a language option that likely says English by default. Click Language to open the language settings. From here, choose Espanol. After selecting Espanol, make sure to click Save so your preference is applied. The site will refresh and you'll see menus, buttons, and key navigation elements in Spanish. If you're signed in, this preference typically sticks across visits, but if you're browsing as a guest, you might need to repeat it occasionally or after clearing cookies. Now, if you need a language other than Spanish, let's use Chinese as an example, you can rely on your browser's built-in translation. On the Walmart page, right-click anywhere that isn't a button or link to bring up your browser's context menu. Look for an option that mentions Translate. The wording can vary slightly by browser, but you'll usually see something like Translate this page. Click that option. A small translation bar or pop-up will appear. Open the language list and select Chinese. If you don't see it immediately, expand More Languages and pick the exact variant you prefer. After you select it, the page will automatically convert the visible text into Chinese. Keep in mind, this is a browser translation, so it may not be perfect, and images or embedded content with text may not change. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If you want your browser to always translate Walmart into your chosen language, look for an Always Translate this site toggle in the translation bar. That way, each page you open on Walmart will switch automatically. If you want to go back to English at any time, turn off translation in that same bar, or return to Walmart's language setting in the account menu and switch back to English. That's it. Use Walmart's language setting for Spanish and your browser's translate feature for other languages like Chinese. Happy shopping!